So we just started, but we're freezing. Oh wait, I guess she's already taking care of things.
We both started recording at the same time.
This is awkward. Anyways, we're freezing.
So we just started. We're at Uwharrie National Forest. We left Charleston about 4 or 5 hours ago. I don't know why it took us so long to get here.
We left 5 hours ago.
5 hours ago. And it was raining most of the time. Most of the drive. So we just got here and it's stopped raining, but it's pretty windy. And obviously the trail's pretty muddy and lots of puddles. And we have little Bellicans with us again today. So we're gonna try to keep her as dry as possible. We're planning to do an overnight. We don't have our sleeping bags in just yet, but yeah, they're coming in today, which sucks because we left this morning to come on the trail. So we're using some old sleeping bags that we had, and hopefully they'll work out. So yeah, we're trying to keep Bella as dry as possible, not let her walk through any of the puddles, and she's waiting up for me.
Hope you like that, because now I gotta run and catch back up. If you have any questions about seal skins, whether they're waterproof or not, if that tells you anything, they're waterproof.
John was just talking about how I walk through the mud like a priss, which is so true.
Alright, this is Amy.
Walking through mud. So anyways, yeah, she just fell. She fell hard. Yep. Bellicans just fell into the mud. She's already done it once. So the luxury item challenge. I really liked seeing everybody's luxury items, but I really have to admit, and I'm sure that after watching like a couple of our videos, y'all have already figured it out, that I'm a girly girl at heart. I mean, I like to be outside and all. I like hiking and backpacking, camping, whatever. I'll jump out of an airplane, like, I'll do whatever. I guess you could say I'm an adventurous girly girl. But so back to the luxury item challenge. It was really cool to see everybody's stuff. And one of the items that I really wanted to bring was a travel size mascara. That's so bad. And I'm not bringing any makeup. But I really, really wanted to bring a travel size mascara. So maybe if I go into a town or something, I might purchase one. Might.
You gonna buy what?
I'm gonna buy a travel size mascara. I wanted to bring one.
Can see.
You talking about me being vain? This guy has puffy cheeks because he got some dental work, and he's all freaked out about it. That he looks like a chipmunk. He does look like a chipmunk. Shh. Turn around. So this is what happens when Bella gets too cold. You have to improvise. She's in a trash bag stuffed in John's jacket. You feel better, Boo Boo? Aww.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go. This way. Hey. Kind of looks steep. This is flat and level. Come on, gotta get up this mountain. Come on. Oh, it's steep. This is level. Where's Amy? There she is. Yeah.
And here we are. This is home for the night. Well, the tent's not set up yet, but Bella's got her dinner. And we got a nice fire pit. And then the river is right here.
So we're just chilling out, waiting on our food to get ready. It's too cold for us to be outside, so we're hunkered down in the tent. Where's Bella? There's Bella.
All right, we just wanted to give a shout out to our niece, Abigail.
Hi, Abigail.
Hey, Abigail, we love you.
We hope you enjoy the videos.
Yeah, we really hope you enjoy the videos. We really like that you're watching them. And we just wanted to say, hey, we love you, and we can't wait to see you again. Hopefully it'll be sooner rather than later.
Bye.
So to recap, last night, it was really cold. You'll hear me saying that a lot. But I slept pretty good. Really don't like my pillow. I've discovered that last night. I'm not really sure why. But it's the Sea to Summit Arrows. If you have any other suggestions on a pillow, let me know. Another question I wanted to ask was, I started off using iMovie to edit, and then I switched to Video Leap, which was cool, but it doesn't offer some of the things I would like it to. So I got LumaFusion, and I haven't tried it out yet, but let me know what you guys use or what y'all use to edit. Alright, well, we're back in the car. Finally made it back. Bella is passed out in my lap. So John, what have we learned from our Shakedown hike?
Don't bring Bella. That was like having a baby.
Yeah, it was.
So,
In 10 miles.
this is the first trip on our new tent, and I liked it a lot. It felt a lot bigger inside than our old, Big Angus Flight Creek UL3. It felt much bigger. I think condensation will be something to think about. Not an issue. I don't think it'll be an issue at all, but like this morning when I woke up, I sat up and I was just sitting there, and with my hood on, my down jacket hood on, and not even realizing that I was soaking the top of the hood up against the tent. So it's just something to keep in mind, but definitely don't think it'll be an issue. So on our next trip, we'll have our new sleeping bags. I'm really glad we didn't have that on this trip because of the Muddy Dog. That would have been a disaster had we had our brand new sleeping bags, quilts. But on the next trip, we'll definitely have that, and I'm looking forward to testing that.
We also decided that we're going to be, for the first few days on the AT, we're gonna just be eating
Packet Gourmet.
Packet Gourmet. Okay, so we kind of sprung for that, but we just kind of want to get used to the trail first, get everything situated, and then not really have to worry about food so much at first. So that's just going to be for the first.
Yeah, we want to have some solid meals the first few days.
Yeah, and then we'll transition to
Spam. I had a little Spam packet last night, and it wasn't.
It's disgusting.
It wasn't bad.
Gross.
I mean, I thought when I think about it, I'm not like, oh man, I want a Spam packet, but I think I could definitely eat that from time to time, here and there.
Not me.
But it's definitely not as gross as I thought it was gonna be. I mean, I've had Spam before, but I think watching those Amanda Best videos and her calling it meat push pops kind of ruined it for me.
Yeah.
So every time I think of Spam, I think of a meat push pop, and that grosses me out. So I have a question for Z-Pack tent owners. When you guys are breaking down, if you have the doors rolled up, do you unroll them, or do you just leave it rolled up? And with my old tent, I would just stuff it in a stuff sack. You guys do that with the Z-Packs? Is it fine? Just pump it all up, stuff it in there, or should I fold it? I mean, it seems pretty kind of fragile if you ask me, but so just stuffing it in there, putting all the creases in there, is that bad for it? Does anybody have any experience with that? Let us know. Also, I set this tent up again in our yard the other week, and the seam seal on the ridge line was coming unglued on both sides. $700 tent. The seam seal should not be coming off. But I I just pushed down on it really hard, like I pinched it, and it seemed like it stuck down. And I looked at it when I set the tent up this time, and it had not come apart. But I definitely expect to have to patch up spots in this tent here and there as we do our through hike for sure. I do like it a lot.
Yeah.
All those bad stuff I say about it, I do like it a lot. And
It's very roomy.
It's huge. It's way bigger. Our old tent, the Fly Creek UL3, where both our sleeping pads in there, we were like shoulder to shoulder, and we hardly had any room to set our gear. Z-Packs, it's like, man, I feel like there's so much room in. At least, don't you think? It just felt so huge. And we hung our bags, our packs from the trekking poles, and that cleared up a huge amount of room. So definitely like the design. Just feel like the quality is down a little bit.
Yeah, great. Another thing that we got, that we added, is that traveling outside the box recommended to us is amazing grass.
You're wondering, it's bots, not bats.
It's bots.
Bots. Like bots.
Yeah. But something that they recommended to us was amazing grass green superfood. And basically it's like, you can get it off of Amazon. You basically just add a scoop to your water in the morning. I've heard it's not the best tasting, so maybe just chug it down real quick before you start your day. But it gives you 1 to 2 servings of fruits and vegetables.
We've always had mummy style bags with hoods on them, and that hood keeps our pillow in place. Works great. So now we're switching to the quilts, and my fear is the pillow's gonna fly off in the middle of the night. I'm a crazy sleeper. So my fear is I'm never gonna have a pillow in the middle of the night. If you have a quilt, what's your experience with that? Do you have any problems with that? Or is it not a big deal?
Yep. Alright, so we've got a lot of questions for y'all.
In 1 mile.
Let us know about all of those things down below. The hike was great. I would definitely, if you're near the Charlotte area, I would definitely suggest URE National Forest. It's a really cool place. It's not very crowded. Every time we've ever came out there, there hasn't been that many people.
Turn left onto Blair Road.
Yeah, and climb Lick Mountain. Is that what it was called? I think it's called Lick Mountain. Lick, something that rhymes with that.
We missed our turn. Alright, time for us to end this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.